Hi, this is William here. I'm on the job today cleaning gutters for a client. They're kind of a higher end client, and I just wanted to shoot a video to let you know, if you're looking at a way to make money cleaning gutters or windows or, doing house washes, pressure washing, that sort of thing, there could be really good money in it. I started my business on my own exclusively in, 2012, I think? And it's like almost December 2018 right now. Anywho, I'm on a large job today, and in the beginning, I probably didn't make a whole ton of money cleaning gutters because my thinking was small. I kind of thought small and like, oh, I'll do your gutters for 125 bucks, and I'm like, oh, am I going to get the job? I hope so, you know. But in the beginning, you need those small jobs to get you rolling. But over time, as you gain confidence, as you gain experience, as you grow your business, and you're doing more jobs, you're doing larger jobs, you're starting. As long as you're professional, you're clean cut, and you do beautiful work. You're kind. You're respectful to your clients. You will bit by bit start to find higher scale, like higher quality customers that are not just looking for the low ballers, right? Because there's lots of large companies out there that can charge a lower price because they have lots of staff. They have young folks that they're paying, minimum wage. They're starting them out at a really low wage. They're doing the work. They may not get as high a quality results as you because you're the business owner. If you're getting your business rocking and rolling, you want to do good work so you can find those high quality clients, do quality work, get higher quality clients. Um, I guess it depends on what your business model is. If you're okay with lowballing and doing tons and tons of work for little pay, then that's the route to go for you. But if you're looking to produce a higher quality end result and be able to charge more, that's the kind of mentality that I've adopted, and I do my best always to deliver kindness, respect, a good quality end result. I show that in the pictures, the videos, in the way I deal with people, my customers, how we present ourselves online, etc. Our goal is always to be professional, knowledgeable. We know what we're talking about because we've done it. We do it regularly. We deliver the kind of results that our clients are looking for, and they don't have to worry about a thing because we know what we're doing. We'll take care of it. We've got all of our insurances in place, etc. And they're gonna feel happy paying us a little more because they know that they don't have to worry about it. We got it. We'll take care of it, and we'll be back, at the schedule that they want, once a year, twice a year, whatever it is. So I know there's a lot of ranting there about the kind of quality business you want to build. If you're just starting out, you may want to start low, but as you start to get more and more clients, as your website gets traction, as you're getting more clients, start to increase your prices incrementally, slowly over time, year by year. Up your minimum rate. What's your minimum call out rate? Is it 99 bucks? Mine was 75 when I first started. That kind of reflected a bit of my self-esteem level at the time, right? Mind you, things were the economy was just kind of getting going again. So anyways, if you want to do a higher end client, do higher end work, present yourself as a higher quality business. So here I am at a customer's house of my own. I'm just in my truck grabbing lunch right now, and I thought I'd just shoot this quick video to let you know that you can make $500 a day cleaning gutters. I'm actually doing that today, doing a job for $500 plus tax for a client, a regular client. They've had me back here multiple times. And today I'm just doing gutters because it's November, it's gutter cleaning season. But I also wash their roof. They've got a giant metal roof. I don't know if you can see it out there. There you go. They got a giant metal roof, and I scrub that. And I charge them a premium for that. and you know, it only takes me a few days to do the job, but it's multiple thousands of dollars, this job. So you know, you can easily make $500 a day if you've got a couple $250 jobs or one $500 job. And it's about noontime right now. I'm not saying all this to brag. I'm just saying that this is possible. I've done it. Back when I got rocking and rolling in my 30s, I was thinking, is this possible? Yeah, because I heard all these other guys online saying that, you know, like Don Marsh, cleaning windows. Shout out to Don Marsh. Thanks for all the videos that you've created. Shout out to Keith Kalfas, Joshua Latimer, all these guys that have done it and are continuing to do it. These are the kind of guys that you want to follow, you want to emulate, you want to listen to because they've done it. And so, anyways, I'm not a big guru or anything like that. I'm just a guy who got my own business rocking and rolling and make pretty decent money each year. And I wanted to share that you can make $500 a day cleaning gutters. So hopefully this had a bit of a positive impact on you. I hope you can go out and do it yourself. If you have any questions, share some in the comments, like the video, whatever. Thanks a lot for watching.